Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to access Chrome flag experiment without any stress. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, then you have to come to the address bar right here. What you need to do is to simply type in Chrome, then colon, then slash flags. Then press enter key on your keyboard and it's going to take you to all Chrome experimental flags right here. Now, there are a lot of things you can set up right here when you are using your Chrome browser. For you to be more secure in your Chrome browser, you have to understand Chrome flag setting. Okay, so you can simply scroll down and see some of the security settings that you need to take into consideration as far as Chrome flags is concerned. So you can see some of them are enabled and some of them are disabled. You can enable some while you can leave the some as a default. Or better still, if you get confused when you are trying to work on your Chrome flag, simply come to the top right there and click on reset all. It will take you back to by default Chrome flag. In my future tutorial, I'm going to make more tutorial about how and what are the important things you need to set as far as Chrome flag is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Chrome topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.